Hello and welcome to Learn Samogitian language from Lithuania. Let me click here, Learn. So currently we only have 10 questions created for Samogitian. First of all, we choose here from the resume the exercise types. In total, we have 4, but the speak mode is not available for Samogitian. There isn't any speech to text STT service available for this language, so we choose these 3. We could only choose like one if we wanted to just practice writing or the word order exercise or multi-option, but I'll choose all of these 3. Always you have the image element. You can click it, you can zoom into it like this. We have the question. On the left, we have the audio button. It's blue if we have an audio available. Let's listen.
Kokios spalvos ir dangus?
And from the toggle button, we can see the source language translation. In this case, it's in English. But it could be other language, like you could learn Samogitian from Lithuanian or whatever languages we have available on the app that have the same content because yeah, let's continue. I was going to explain some things, but it's going to be too complicated here. So let's just go through this multi-option mode content now. Okay, so all the 4 options, they have the audio buttons and the toggle buttons similarly. Okay, let's click here. I forgot to show. If you maybe you saw, we had the full answer there without the missing word. We just had 3 dots there. And after answering, we see it now in like the whole sentence.
Dangus ir mėlyns.
The second question, okay, this is also multi-option mode.
Kiek dainų į savaitę?
And we had some problems with the audio recordings. So first we used the headset that was in the first question, but there was some like buzzing. So the Samogitian native speaker who was helping me switched to computer microphone, and it's a bit better. There's no buzzing, but yeah, it's not the best quality microphone, but I think it's good enough for this small batch.
Kiek dainų į savaitę? 7,
I think it's clear.
6, 8, 5.
So what do you think? Anyways, I think it's good. It doesn't need to be perfect for a small batch like this because actually uh, we are creating a small set for like tens of languages, and whenever we are going to build the full course for any language, we will of course make sure the translators have the highest quality microphone. But this is a really good starting point. We can just hear how the language works and how it looks like when we learn a language like Samogitian with the app.
Savaitė į 7 dainus.
And here is the second type we didn't have yet. It's the unscramble mode. So we have to click the word blocks like this. Okay, and they go here when we click. When we click them in this area, they go back. I don't speak Samogitian, so let's just try something. And we always have a default picture that is used for all the languages if we don't create a custom picture for a specific language. And actually, I'm going to add a custom picture maybe in some point for Samogitian where the abbreviations are in Samogitian, not in English, like you have here. So keep that in mind. But I might not actually do that uh, yet. Maybe when if there's enough demand for a full course. So I mean, at least 1,000 or a couple of thousand questions, then I'll definitely fix everything there is to be fixed.
Prieš antradienį and pirmadienis.
And here we have again the same unscramble mode exercise. And I have to say one thing more, one more thing. So now that we order like put the words in this order, if a language has like flexible word order, we can always save multiple accepted word orders. So then if I would have written something like written something else from the which is not the default answer, we could accept that as correct. But we would always see the default answer here in the answer area.
Pagrodi and sauces.
All right, now we have the third exercise type, the writing exercise. What season is it now?
Koks dabar metų laiks?
And when we press the hint button, it reveals one letter at a time. But if we have one letter multiple times in the word, like here we have 3 A's, it shows all the A's at the same time. And you can use the hint button as much as you want. We don't have the hint button in the challenge modes at all, but in practice modes, it's present because I think if you have no idea, it's good to have this button and the freedom to use it as much as you want. In the practice modes also, we don't have any hearts, so you can make as many mistakes as you want.
Dabar ir vasara.
Oh, yeah, of course you don't want to make any errors, but you can. It doesn't hinder or stop you learning if you reach a certain amount of errors. Oh no, I have no idea what this is. So anyways, I think I showed you already. If you want to practice all the or test the app with Samogitian, how it feels like we're using the app to learn this language, just send a message. We have a waiting list. If you sign up, we can give you the details to test the app. Let me still explain a few things. So the vocabulary practice is going to be free for everyone, so no need to pay anything, no hearts, no nothing. You can learn as much as you want. It's still under construction, like all the icons are probably going to be changed. Currently, we don't even have icons for all, like here you can see elements doesn't have any icon. But anyways, we will so this is now from English, Finnish from English, and you see we have quite a lot of content here. So you will be able to use this vocabulary practice where you can choose the topic and learn from that topic. So that's going to be for all the freemium users, but all the other practice modes, all the challenge modes are going to be for paid users because we need to be able to pay somehow the bills. But remember, there's always an unrestricted way to learn a language with the vocabulary practice. And we would really appreciate you if you could leave a comment or even sign up on our waiting list. Even if you're not going to be a paying user, it it would just motivate us, make everything go quicker, build everything uh, quicker, even though we will be quite busy from November to April and everything's going to be a bit slower, then I'm going to try to earn some money to pay for people to help me. So after April, I will be able to focus full, like 100% on this and have more budget for it. But if we see a lot of names on the waiting list, we currently have only seven. So yeah, if we have like hundreds or thousands of people, and especially the ones who would be interested in being paid users, then yeah, yeah, we would actually definitely get more motivation to uh, make this app available quicker. So yeah, I hope this was interesting for you. And like I said already, leave a comment, sign up on the waiting list, and let anyone else also know uh, about the app if you think they would be interested. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer in the comment section. Thank you.